they become so much closer than do you don't know that is a false friend. He always play with him. Crow went search of him. He saw one meat that is an elephant. He went to call him. That time the crow saw that deer is playing with wolf, the new friend. That time crow thought that is a false friend. But crow tell to deer, you how you can be friend with wolf. He may be a false friend. He may be plan to eat you. Crow told the correct, but deer did listen him. Only crow went to eat that meat. He eat and came night. That time wolf went to his cave and planned one more plan. How to get to wolf. Another day, wolf tried to get him here, but that time crow suddenly came and stopped wolf. Deer, don't go to his home. Don't go to his home. Then again wolf nice went to his home. Next day he planned a nice plan. Next day he came and asked for Deer, can you come to my home? Your friend Crow is not there. He cannot stop you. That day Deer went to Wolf's home. But he sat outside and Wolf told to come inside his home. Inside his home. But Deer said that I do not come to any home. Already Crow told for Deer, don't go to any other home. But he didn't listen that and all. He went inside the